Hello, this is Steve Lee of Mr. Lee Outdoors. I am the founder, CFO, and sole member. So I got that going for me. But anyways, I was driving home from my trip in Florida and I had a few thoughts I wanted to share with you. About 2 months ago, I decided I wanted to do some YouTube videos. So I looked into it a little bit and went online, got some reviews. Now keep in mind, I didn't know squat. I didn't know how to upload a video to my computer. I didn't know what a hard drive was. I had no idea about GoPros. I'd never used them. I guess the way to describe my experience level is I could take a picture on my phone and get that sent through an email. But that was about all I could do. So needless to say, this learning curve was huge. I did not realize how hard it is to make a fishing video. It is super tough, especially when you got your base knowledge is so low, you don't really know what the hell you're getting into. But anyways, this first video that I've ever made, I'm going to put that up. We were fishing out of Ozello, and I lodged at the Ozello Marina. We were fishing for trout, or I was fishing for trout, I should say. And I just wanted to explain a little bit what went on in my trip. I had so many mistakes, just tons of mistakes. Batteries going dead. I'm just entering Nashville now, so probably not a great time to do this video, but the thought just came to my head, so I wanted to do it. Not turning on the camera, not turning on the drone. My best day of fishing, which was when I first got to the trip, I had the camera on, but it cut my head off the whole time, so kind of embarrassing. Sound effects. I had a boom mic on one of my cameras, and the sound was horrendous. I had it sitting in the back, and it would pick up the live little timer. It was super loud, super annoying. So there was so much footage I either didn't get or I had to trash, and it was just a huge learning curve. I've got some of the basics down now, and what I would hope that some of you guys could do is give me some criticism. I know I have to learn a lot, but it will make my learning curve so much quicker if I get feedback from you. So what I'm asking is, as you're watching the video, think of one good thing that you like about the video, and then two things that we would say negative or just critique with, well, it's negative, but I want to hear it. How else are you going to improve? But at the same time, if I'm doing something good, I want to keep doing that. But if it sucks, let me know. It could be anything from editing to camera shots, sun angle, volume, music, lack of talking, too much talking, just anything you want to see in a video. And you know, if you're so inclined, possibly subscribe to see the progression of how I do. I'm going to get better, I can promise you that. So your feedback is super appreciated. I don't know how to put the links and everything down in the file yet, or any equipment I use, or whatever some people do, but eventually I will. just other tips too that you would like to see that makes the video okay. We had a little bit of a rain delay there. It looks like most of the rain is gone by, and I'm just drifting across the flats right now. The wind kind of picked back up, but the tide is up. The wind is from the southwest, so it's keeping the tide from going as low as it could. So I think the fish are going to be up cruising the flats, but we'll find out. I just seen this island up here. I just seen some dolphins busting, so the activity is on. Right now I'm tailing down. I just had a bite, something, I don't know what it was, but I'll make a few more casts here and then keep drifting. I haven't seen another boat. I'm sure some more will start showing up because the radar is showing the rain is leaving, so. I got the whole place to myself, so we'll see if that works out for me. Maybe everybody else is just smart enough not to go out. Oh, there's one. I think it's a small one. A little bit on the small side. Got one. Looks like it might be on the small side. Well, it's hard to see. Nope, I don't believe it's a keeper. It looked like to be about 14. So, but where there's one, there's usually more. Another one. Small fry. Another one. I don't know what it is. Pretty small. Another short. Ow. Got him. Another little one. He might be close. I'm gonna measure this guy. He looks like he's probably 15. Whoops. God damn it. Oh yeah, 15 and a half. A little bit on the small side, but still a keeper. There we go. That feels like a keeper. It feels like a keeper. It's not a giant one, but oh, it might even be short. Oh. All right, little trout. I think you're gonna end up on a dinner plate. Yep, it touches. So, number 2. Got one. Looks like another keeper. Oh yeah. That one's a solid 16. Number 3. Finally got one. Can't tell if it's a keeper or not. It's fat, that's for sure. One of the fatter trouts I've seen down here. Just a smidgen short. All right, we're gonna do a second drift. We got 3 in the boat. Just need 2 more. And I think we can do it. Somebody's gonna have some good eating tonight. That's for sure. Oh, there's a ladyfish. I get tired of these damn things. They cut your line, mess up your lures. Get scales and shit all over your boat. That one got it deep. He didn't mess around. Yep, he's not gonna live too long. Oh, there's something. Another ladyfish. Oh man. The trash fish of the flats. This one's got some weird shit on it. Ah.
probably just shit his pants. Oh my God. I don't like to touch these things because they're so slimy. Got him. Let's see what he did to my line. Oh. I gotta get out of here. I can't be just catching these damn things. Oh my God. Look what it did to my lure. You little bastard. Look at the bottom treble. The wire's hanging way out. Well, I gotta move out of this area. I'm gonna idle up and get a little closer to shore. All right, new spot, new area. Maybe we got away from those ladyfish. It appears they have a little bit of a drinking problem. Oh well. I get a lot of these tackle warehouse shirts, and I can really only wear them one day before they get stained up. If it's not Powerade, it's two. Just something I have to live with, I guess. Got one. I don't know what it is. If I got a rock or weeds or what, I don't know. A ladyfish by the tail. Oh, it's a trout by the side. So, I guess that's one way to hook them, huh? Just poor little guy. But I think he'll make it. Oh, there's one. I think it's a trout. I think it's a trout. I think it's a keeper too. Oh yeah. Come on. Come on in. Oh yeah. Got that one hook in the rear that I'm a little bit nervous of. Got it. Oh, lost it. Got that one. Oh, I had him hooked good. I had him good. He wasn't coming off. Another one for the pot. Beautiful speckled trout. Whoa, I was just reeling it in, and I bet it's a ladyfish. Yep. Man, it's a good sized ladyfish. Oh, how about that? With Spanish mackerel. Wow, that's a good sized Spanish mackerel. And apparently they oh, look at that. A Spanish mackerel. I don't catch too many. They're a pretty cool looking fish. And if I believe that's a big one. I'm not 100% sure though, but got him that time. Oh, it might be another keeper trout. Nope. Oh, that one looks a little bit short. We'll see. Close, but looks a little bit on the small side. Oh, it might be a keeper. It's got to be a keeper. It probably close to 16. Well, it's only 15 and a half, but it'll do. So this is going to conclude today's fishing. If you're slightly amused or entertained or even educated, consider subscribing. Thank you.